Bonjour tout le monde. I hope that everything is well. You had a good weekend and you're not going too crazy from being cooped up still. I just want to give you a couple of reminders and an overview for what's going to happen this week, just so you can kind of anticipate things. First, a reminder. I put this in the announcement, which you can access. I do hold office hours a couple of times every week. So Monday and Tuesday at 11 o'clock a.m. The everything you need is in here. The link, the password. If you can't meet at this time for whatever reason, let me know and I'm happy to schedule another time with you. This is if you have questions on an assignment, if you're not understanding a grammar concept, if you need to practice, whatever you need. You can just show up and I can help you with whatever you need. The next thing I want to do is walk you through this week. We do have a test coming up this week. So some of you haven't finished Unit 7 test from 2 weeks ago. So get that done. These are big chunks of points and they're going to hurt your grade. The easiest way to get your grade up is to do the 2 parts of the test. So just make sure you're on top of that. So let's go down to this week. You're going to be doing an oral practicing giving directions. So you're going to record and share that with me. Make sure that you're using the imperative, the command form. So that's using the VU conjugation of the verb. Most of them are going to end in easy and then dropping the subject. So it's go straight, turn left, cross the street, go past the post office, whatever. And then obviously you're still going to be doing Quizlet every day. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to do kind of a review activity to start reviewing some things. Wednesday, you're going to be just kind of quizzing yourself, nothing to turn in. And then Thursday is going to be the test. Remember that it's a 2-part test. There will be the oral part, and it's going to be giving directions. So that's what we've been focusing on. There shouldn't be anything new there. And then you'll do the Quizlet, the vocabulary test for Unit 8, right? So you'll go to Quizlet, click on the new set that I'll post that's labeled vocabulary test, and then do the test activity within that. And then Friday we'll be doing a reading comprehension activity, and then, Friday we'll be doing a reading comprehension activity, and then Monday we'll start with our new Unit 9. I hope that helps. Please let me know if I can do anything to help. I really do want you to understand this stuff and feel good about where your grade's at.